Hello everybody, this is Fadi from Parametric BIM, and in this tutorial we are going to learn some tips and tricks about roofs in Revit. So without further additions, let's dive into Revit. So as you see here, I have this project, and this project I have created previously. If you don't see the video, see it. And in this video I learned previously how to create topography in Revit. So in this video I will use this project in order to learn together how we can create roofs, or what is the type of roofs in Revit, and also some tips about the kind of parametric features of these roofs. And also we will learn how to create roof by footprint and also roof by extrusion. So how we can do that? Let's do that together. But before we getting started, I would like to ask you to subscribe and like the videos in this channel in order to help me to go ahead and create videos such as these in the future. So let's dive into Revit and see what is the type of roofs in Revit. As you see in the previous video, I created this roof, and this roof, if I select it, edit the footprint, you can see that the boundary of this footprint, which is these lines, and it is a closed boundary, which is a simple rectangular. And you can see now this there is a slope here. So if I click here, you can see with the green arrows or the green tab here, we have here some options such as overhang and define slope, and there is a small check here beside the define slope. So if I remove this check and came to finish this footprint, you can see now that the roof will be flat roof such as this, because there is no define slope at each of the boundary of this roof. But if I go back and edit by footprint, maybe we can select this line and define the slope of this line. You can see that the roof will be in this side. So this is a parametric feature of the roof in Revit, and it will be opposite of the first one that we have created. And also now the walls will be attached to this roof, because we have also used the feature of walls. If I selected this walls, you can see at the top here with modify wall that we have attached top base, and this is extremely let's say interesting feature that of walls that can attach any wall to any roof or any shape of roof, regardless of the slope or the any feature of the roof. So this is very interesting of how to deal with roofs and walls together in Revit. So this is the first tip that I wanted to show you to it. Now let's make some modification also. Let's suppose that we have also this one with defined slope. So I will define a slope to this one also, and click finish, and you can see that the slope will be at the two ends, or in the middle it will be high, and the slope of two-sided, and there is no problem for this message. If you can see from me, I will delete the element because there are some mullions of the let's say the curtain walls, and you can play around that. You can also edit footprint. Maybe you can also define this slope or this slope and undefine this one and this one, and you can get also this result. Delete the element, no problem. So this is a parametric feature of roof by footprint. You can play around it, and you can see that the walls automatically attached to the roof. But now let's create maybe I'm going to delete this one to see the other type of wall in Revit, which is the roof by extrusion. So I am going to go to architecture, and then I will go to roof, and as you see we have selected this, which is the roof by footprint, but the roof by extrusion, if I waiting here, you can see that from the video or the picture here that we are going to draw some line or maybe some profile to the roof, any shape, any line, and it will create it all around the length of the building. So let's try how to do that in our project. I will click roof by extrusion, and now he is asking me to pick a plane. So I will pick a plane. Maybe I will draw from this plane, so I am going to select this one or pick this one, and he is asking me where you want to put your roof. I will put it on roof, level 3, because I have level 3 is the last one in my project. So I will click OK. He is asking also about the offset, but I will leave it to 0. So once it's done, you can now draw anything or any line you want. I will go now with SP line and try to draw something, maybe let's say like that. Click twice, enter, and you will get this shape. Maybe you have the opportunity now to modify this line, so you can click on it. You will have some bubbles here or circles. You can maybe play with that. Maybe you can give some overhang here or hand or like that, and also you have the opportunity to draw from any elevation or any section, but for the purpose of the video I will draw like that in the 3D. So once I done, maybe it needs some modification here to have a nice thing. Maybe something like that will be good. Let's try. Okay, so as you see, I have a good and a nice roof maybe. So if you are interested in this roof, simply you can now click on any wall and then attach top and base, and then click the roof. You will get this annoying message. No problem, it will be attached automatically to the new roof. So this is very interesting, and the parametric feature is really interesting in roof. I will click for all over the walls and also attach them to the roof. Okay, maybe also this one need modification here, so I'll try to select it, attach top and base, and then attach it to the new roof. So this is very interesting. You can have now the ability to edit a profile or edit the work plane also. Let's try another shape. Maybe we can try to, maybe let's say, edit the profile. You can maybe delete this one and try to draw something like semi-square or oval like that. And once you're done, you can click escape and finish, and you will get this one also attached automatically to your project. So let's turn to realistic and see the result. You will get this result instead of the other result that we have. So this is very interesting. You can also have anything. You have the ability to increase the overhang here, for example, like that, and also on the other side. So this is some tricks and tips about roof in the in Revit, and also maybe there are something in the roof here, such as roof soffit, roof fascia, and roof gutter. This is accessories for roofs, such as something like maybe for drainage or something like that. We will talk about that in next videos. So if you are interested in these videos, I would like to ask you to like this video, and see you in next videos. Goodbye.